Railway dictation. Start. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The Vande Bharat Express, also known as Train 18, is an Indian semi-high speed intercity EMU train which was designed and manufactured by Integral Coach Factory at Perambur, Chennai, under the Indian government's Make in India initiative. Over a span of 18 months, the unit cost of the first rake was estimated at rupees 100 crore, although it is expected to go down with subsequent production. At the original price, it is estimated to be 40% cheaper than a similar train imported from Europe. The train was launched on 15 February 2019, by which date a second unit will have been produced and readied for service. The service was named Vande Bharat Express on 27 January 2019. As of August 2021, the Indian Railways operates two Vande Bharat trains, one from Delhi to Varanasi and the other from Delhi to Katra. In January 2021, Indian Railways awarded the contract for supply of propulsion and control equipment of 44 rakes to Medha Servo Drives based at Hyderabad. Vande Bharat Express is designed to be capable of running at a maximum speed of 200 km per hour. But the tracks on which the train operates are not capable of supporting such high speeds. Hence, the train is operated at a maximum speed of 130 km per hour. During the trials, it achieved a record speed of 180 km per hour. This made it the fastest train to run in India and the second fastest operating train in India, behind the Gatiman Express, which operates at 160 km per hour. The Vande Bharat Express exterior appearance consists of aerodynamic design, narrowing at each end of the train, which is designed to combat air resistance. It also has a driver cabin at each end, allowing for faster turnaround at terminating stations. The train has 16 passenger cars with a sitting capacity of 1128 passengers. Two of the center compartments are first class compartments that seat 52 each, with the rest being coach compartments sitting 78 each. Alternate coaches are motorized to ensure even distribution of power and to help in quicker acceleration and deceleration. The gangways are interconnected and fully sealed to allow better mobility between coaches and to reduce noise respectively. The train also features GPS based passenger information system, bio-vacuum toilets and rotational seats which can be aligned in the direction of travel. The train's seats, braking system, doors, and transformers are the only element of the train to be outsourced, with plans to make them domestically on the production of the next unit. Train 18 employs a regenerative braking system. Indian Railways and ICF were also planning the development of Train 20, another semi-high speed train that was supposed to replace the Rajdhani Express. This new train was planned to have aluminium body with sleeper coaches. Indian Railways also had planned to order 14 trains, sets of Train 18 by 2022, which would include modified cabin crash guard made out of aluminium along with a lithium ion battery set. The train's first trial run occurred on 29 October 2018 in Chennai, focusing on crew orientation and testing the train's brakes, with further testing scheduled to be done in Delhi on 7 November and later in Rajasthan. An Indian Railways official reported that some fuses went off during the trial in Chennai, but that the issue was minor and quickly fixed. The train ended up leaving for Delhi later than expected on 11 November and arrived on 13 November. Testing was set to commence along a section of track between Bareilly and Moradabad in Uttar Pradesh on 17 November, but the location was subsequently changed to the stretch of rail between Moradabad and Rampur due to unspecified issues with the initial section of track. The Moradabad Rampur testing occurred at low speeds ranging from 30 to 60 km per hour. After the lower speed testing, the train was moved to a section of track between Kota and Savai Madhopur to be tested at operating system. A team put together by India's Research Design and Standards Organization will supervise the testing and give the go-ahead for the final speed test. During its trials, Train 18 reached speeds of 180 km per hour, the highest speed any train in India has reached in the trials, but the due to speed limit of railway track of routes which used by Vande Bharat Express, the actual top operating speed is restricted to 130 km per hour. The train is capable of peak speed of up to 200 km per hour. The train flagged off for an inaugural run by Prime Minister of India Narendra Modi on 15 February 2019, with its commercial run started from 17 February 2019 onwards. It will be running on the Delhi-Varanasi route via Kanpur and Prayagraj, connecting the holy city of Varanasi to the capital city, reducing travel time along the route by 15%.